Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. John, Jon Dela Cruz, guys. Man, what a day, busy tayo. Busy yan. Alright guys, so sarado na yung mall. They close at 8, so 8:30 na. Right here, Eastridge Mall, the oldest mall in East San Jose. Eastridge. It was built in 1973, I think it says there. So quick vlog. See, feel at home ka rito sa mall sa Amerika. Oh, yan, ganyan. Tapos pwede ka mag-charge. Oh, yan, naki-charge lang kasi wala tayong pang-charge sa sasakyan. Alright guys, alis na tayo kasi ang bait nung gwardiya. Sabi niya daw, his wife is Filipina from Dagupan, Mexican siya. God bless, love you guys, peace. Jon Dela Cruz. Window shopping lang, walang budget. Peace.